We're at Concept Cosmetic Medicine today. We're talking to Dr. Stefan about social media and the kind of impact it has on most of our lives these days, in particular in regards to what we look like and how we feel about ourselves. Thank you.
Thank you, Ross.
Now, it does have a huge impact because we get to see a lot of celebrities, a lot of who's who, and they all look fantastic in their selfies, and we kind of want to make ourselves feel just as good and maybe look a little bit like that too, don't we?
Absolutely. Our society as a whole is very immersed in social media, and that allows us to follow what's in fashion and the trends very, very closely. Yeah. We've got the celebrities and influencers who often inspire people, rightly or wrongly, to have a certain look.
Yes.
Importantly as well, people get a lot of information nowadays from social media, and whilst that's generally a positive thing, sometimes this information can be misleading or even incorrect. Okay. Therefore, it's useful to speak to a professional like the doctors at CCM just to put things into perspective for you. Especially when you're dealing with something as important as your face.
Yeah, absolutely. So I guess the idea is then that you get your key kind of looks that you're after, take them to somebody such as someone at CCM or one of the doctors here to be able to have a little bit of a consultation. And you guys do free consultations too, don't you, for the first time to come and have a chat?
We will be more than happy to have a consultation with you and see what your needs are, what will suit you best, yeah. Just to make sure that what you have in mind would be the best treatment for yourself.
Okay, so speaking of which, what are the kind of latest trends at the moment in the Insta-perfect social media world?
Well, the last few years have been the era of the big lips.
Yes.
And whilst lips are still a focus for a lot of people, there's definitely been a move away from pure size alone to having lips that are of a nice shape, a nice proportion, that sit in balance with the rest of the face. So just nice, sexy, kissable lips.
Ooh, I like the sound of that.
Now, this actually takes a bit more skill to achieve than just pumping the lips alone to achieve a trout pout. So please make sure you choose your injector carefully. Unfortunately, I spend too much time correcting mistakes that other clinicians have made. Yeah. The thing with trends as well is that just because something looks good on your favorite celebrity doesn't necessarily mean it'll look good on yourself. Okay. And a skilled professional with an eye for beauty and detail would be able to assess what's appropriate for you and just to make sure that what you're interested in suits you and tailor the treatment to enhance your own natural features.
Excellent. Okay, so this will work for all kind of age groups too, because I know a lot of young women these days are wanting to kind of change their look a little bit, but then as we get older, we tend to find we lose that volume in our lips. Maybe we want to get back what we used to have. So that's something that you can really tailor, right?
Exactly. I mean, we're very privileged in what we do, that we see a lot of faces all day, every day. And from there, and from our experience, we know what happens as part of the aging process. We know what needs to be done to improve that and to help with that. And also what will work well to enhance your own natural features without necessarily looking over the top or that you're looking done.
So we don't need to fear the outcome if we're chatting to, of course, the professionals as well. Now, can you help us with maybe making ourselves look a little bit better for that perfect selfie? Because we do like to do a little selfie here and there. So what could we do?
Of course. Well, the first thing is to have beautiful glowing skin. Sure, you can put a filter on your selfie, but imagine walking around with a permanent filter because your skin is just flawless and radiant.
Oh, yes.
How much easier would makeup be?
Oh, yeah.
So if you feel that your skin is not as good as it can be, then laser treatments may help. Okay. Anti-wrinkle treatments may also be helpful to reduce any movement lines and to also give a subtle eyebrow lift so your eyes look more open and more fresh. But really the clincher is in the contours.
Okay. What do the contours mean then? What are we looking at if we need to change any contours on our face?
Well, every woman knows how to put on makeup to accentuate certain contours, and every Instagram poster knows that the perfect selfie is about the best angle to achieve the best perspective on the important features like your eyes, your cheeks, your lips, or your jawline. We can make sure that these are the best they can be with the help of dermal fillers. So whether it's about reducing dark circles or hollowness under the eyes, having cheekbones that sit high and full for that oblique money shot, luscious lips, or a beautiful sculpted jawline, we can use the fillers to enhance your natural features or even give you a complete glamorous transformation.
Great.
Now, the fillers are very powerful and very useful tools, but they can have adverse side effects and serious consequences if not performed correctly. So please make sure you choose your clinician carefully. At CCM, we are all experienced doctors, and we're more than happy to make sure to help you look your Insta perfect.
Yeah, it sounds pretty good. So if you're thinking about things like your flawless, glowing skin, so we're looking at things such as lasers, we're looking at anti-wrinkles, we're looking at all the fillers. So all of this can help achieve the kind of look that maybe we once had that we want to try and hang on to a little bit as well.
Yes, it's all about maintaining the best version of yourself,
Yeah.
And also prevention is being better than cure, so getting there early.
That too. All right, thank you so much for your time, Dr. Stefan. If you would like some more information, you can go to conceptcosmeticmedicine.com.au for more information. And of course, if you'd like to book a consultant meeting with any of the doctors, including Dr. Stefan, you can give them a call.
Thank you, Ross.